First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlight. Next, I'm using a setting powder to bake. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Next is brows. I'm using David's Brow Pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next is eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. First, I'm using a brown shade as my transition color for my crease. And I'm using a light pink. Next, I'm using a light pink shade to blend the edges of my crease so that there won't be any sharp line. Next is my highlight. I'm using this highlighter shade from Zekel Cosmetics. Is the, what do they call it? Is the Sparkling Honey Dust highlighter in Moonlight. It's an highlighter, but I'm using it as my eyeshadow shade today for my eyelid. Next, I'm using a gold eyeliner for my waterline. Then I'm using that brown eyeshadow shade I use on my crease for my lower lash line. Next, I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. Next is mascara. Next is my eyelash. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup for my cheek. Next is highlighter. Highlighter time. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's the Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Buckish to highlight my face. Next is lips. Sorry, before lips, mascara on my lower lash line, then lips. I'm using two lip colors. The first one is MAC Cosmetics lipstick. It's called All Fired Up. Then I'm using this liquid matte lip stain from Zekel Cosmetics. It's the Kiss Proof liquid matte lip stain. It's called Don't Tell. I use it to line my lips, and I had a clear gloss for the lips. Thank you guys for watching my video.